You know when I mentioned pepetons in my video? This is pepetons. And tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kalutong. Malutong pa sa bagong 1,000. Nababal matupi. Char. But seriously, this is our go-to order. May bisita o kaya kapag may birthday. Sabi nga ng kapatid ko, this is already my birthday cake. He ordered this during my birthday tapos nilagyan niya ng kandila sa gitna. Tapos doon ako nag-blow. And I'm not complaining kasi seriously, para ko siyang 1x1 pero ito ako pag side view. Char. I highly recommend this kapag may handaan at saka matagal siyang kumunat. Mas makunat pa yung tita mo kapag Pasko. Char. I just wanna also show you every angle, every bit of it so that you can judge if it's really worth it. If anything, I wanna be a food vlogger and I wanna give you a full and honest review. Also, shout out to my dogs. Yun lang, bye!